our garden has gone a bit crazy, and this is just what we planted since we got back from our big trip to America, England and Spain. So there's lots here to pick, and we'll harvest some in a second, but this is more than just greenery in your garden. It's more than just something you can eat. This garden and gardens everywhere are so helpful for our environment, and they're helpful in a number of ways, because a vegetarian or vegan diet is way better for the environment than a meat one, because you need more land, more water, more energy, more food for raising cattle than you do for growing some carrots or tomatoes. So it takes up less space and it wastes less resources. So I reckon gardening is the way to go in the future. But we've got some incredible carrots, we've got great beetroot, great tomatoes. Alright. Oh. Look at that. Never grown, have we grown beetroot before? Wow. It's a lot redder than I thought it would be. Oh, look at that! That's bigger than your average beetroot from Woolworths, isn't it? Jeez. They are beautiful. So I've collected some beetroots, and later on I'm going to be making a coleslaw with them and our carrots. Not incredibly impressed with how we've done with these carrots. We can never get carrots to grow, so I'm really surprised. Let's see how they look. So that one's a little small, but if we get lots of little small ones, I've just been informed of how to pick carrots properly. So I put it up by, wow. Look at that! They're all twisted together. That's so cool. They've literally grown into each other. That's cool. And we can also eat the leaves, so we'll put that in our coleslaw as well. We got some great parsley, which my guinea pig loves. There we go. Look at that. And now, the tomatoes. They've gone a bit overboard with their growing, but I'm not going to complain. It means more tomatoes. Look at those. And we got some gorgeous lettuce growing. So I'll pick one of these. Look at that. Yum, yum. Oh, this is going to be a good dinner tonight. Coleslaw's going to be great. So we've got quite a lot. Carrots, tomatoes, beetroot, but not everything's quite ready. We're growing strawberries. And we got an almost red one. It's tiny, but it's cool. To start, so hopefully they'll get a bit bigger and redder. We've got more tomatoes on the way, lots more. We've got some nasturtiums here, which you can eat the leaves, and the flowers are edible as well, so good for decoration. Then over there, we've got some loofahs for this first time, so that's very good. What else do we have? Yes. Yeah, the tomatoes have kind of monopolised all the living space. There's some carrots under here. Not sure how well they will do with all the tomatoes squashing them. But everything looks really good. We've got a worm farm, we've got a compost roller, our mulberry bush, and our dragon fruit plant, which is doing incredibly well. Hopefully it's going to give us some dragon fruit soon. We had it amazing last season, like 5 dragon fruit on it. So yeah, our garden's going pretty good. Change of plan. So we've seen how beautiful they are, and so we decided that we're not going to put them in a coleslaw. We're going to just simply roast them with some olive oil and some salt. And we definitely did not expect them to be this stripy. That is very cool. These are way better than the worst ones. These ones have architect. No, what's it? This one. What's the word? Like when it looks good.
Aesthetically pleasing.
Oh yes, this one. These have much better aesthetic, but it's much harder to cut. There we go. Do you reckon like the beetroots from Woolworths are normally like this? Like when they cut them open,
No.
No.
These are a particular type.
These are the better type. I like these.
We'll see what they taste like.
Can you eat them raw? Or are they like potatoes?
How are we going to do coleslaw? What? Of course, coleslaw's raw.
True.
We don't cook it for coleslaw, do we?
No.
We just grate it.
And some salt.